Isn't this car slick looking? Man, that is a looker. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com. You'll find pricing and specs, pictures top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale. Also, you'll find on there we have shipping, financing, plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people with a lot of experience that can help you get your dream car. So go to volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We keep pushing out great videos of awesome cars. It's the best way to see them first. Enough of that. Let's take this gorgeous car for a spin. I mean, I can repeat myself over and over, but the car does all the talking. Look at that beautiful blue metallic, big chrome hoops. All the trim is restored, SS stripes, SS raised hood. It's just a gorgeous, stunning car. You know people are going to look at this. How could someone not turn their head and look at this car if you drove by them? I got it down south. It's got really clean, dry, original floors. Body's really straight. There's no emblems on the side. It's just a nice, clean look. Doors fit really well. The quarter panels are completely new, done at the factory seams. So full new panels. They're not patched. SS stripes are real smooth. New bumper, new taillights. Has the cowbell exhaust tips. I'm pretty sure it was Flowmaster mufflers under here. Beautiful trunk compartment. This is all painted, new rubber, has a new mat, a rally wheel spare, has the jack. It's pretty cool. It has a real dark gray and blue speckles in the spatter paint. So the blue that matched the outside. I've not seen that before. The rear window's new. All the trim, the moldings, the door handles, the mirror, all the stainless trim is redone. Although I will say whoever put this on did it with a hammer. They left a few dents in there. New windshield, new trim back here. All of this is new. It's got some fancy headlights too, but the grille, the bumper, the bezels, the marker lights, all new stuff. I was told it's a 350 motor. It's been bored out. It's a 355 now. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake, a new Edelbrock carb with electric choke, HEI ignition. It's got headers. Everything is painted very neat and clean. It looks very tidy under here. It has power steering and power brakes. It has some billet brackets on the front of the motor. We'll start it up in a minute. And inside is completely redone. From carpet to headliner, new armrests, new window cranks, new carpet. The headliner fits nice and tight, new visors, all new upholstery, and it's all correct Chevelle upholstery and interior. The dash, completely new custom dash insert. The whole panel is new. It's got some really nice looking gauges, modern gauges, has a tachometer. Has a stereo with an XM satellite, cushion grip deluxe wheel. There's two 12-volt receptacles under the dash to charge your phone or whatever it may be. So this thing is a head turner. When they restored the car, they put the new instruments in here. It's got about 1,900 miles on it since it's been restored. Got a nice sounding cam. I forgot to mention it has 700 R4 overdrive transmission in there, so you can cruise down the highway. So that's a nice update. Got disc brakes in front. They're poised wheels, staggered size. They're 18s in front, 20s in the back. Beautiful. Nice, snappy sounding engine. Love that Lopi cam. Got a little bit of a belt squeal. Shop will look at that. New weather strips. Door jambs are nice. This is a gorgeous car. I've been selling Chevelles $60,000, $65,000, $70,000. This isn't anywhere near that, and it has the same impact. This is a gorgeous looking car. So go to volocars.com. I am positive this one will not last long, so make sure you get there before someone else buys your car. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty more great videos coming, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.